A long time ago, before I got an iPhone 11 Pro Max, I had an iPhone 4 for taking pictures in January 2018. But then, something happened.
Okay, I'm going into the settings. Why is this called accessibility when it makes my phone look weird? Invert colors? Why would I want that? The settings are still in effect when I return to the home screen or close the settings app. Time to shut down my phone for today. Time to turn this thing on.
VoiceOver activated.
Oh man, I forgot I changed the settings. I say complex password and it'll be tough to get in now.
The settings are not a toy. The camera is not a toy. The iPhone is not a toy. Technology is not a toy. The internet is not a toy.
How do I get out of the horrible world I've created? Why would anyone want to erase everything on their phone? I just want everything back to normal, and I'll avoid changing settings from now on.
Warning! Are you sure?
Yes.
Enter passcode.
How am I supposed to remember the passcode I made up by myself?
Warning! Here is how your experience will be affected when you reset, and Apple is not responsible for any user damage.
Why would I get a warning when I never wanted this stuff in the first place?
Enter passcode again to confirm.
They're making me think 4 times about this. Yes, 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 yes.
Pew!
It took a very long time, but the phone is running again. I know now that changing settings is wrong, and I'll leave everything at the default from now on.
Changing settings on a phone was only wrong when I used it irresponsibly. When I got my new iPhone, I adjusted my settings to make it feel just right.
Erase all data after 10 failed passcode attempts? Why would anyone want that? I might as well see how this works.
The passcode is not a toy.
Make up wrong passcodes to enter.
Pew! My iPhone 4 mysteriously disappeared after that, but at least I put it in the stores where the devices are safe to experiment with. I got the iPhone I wanted in 2024, and I'm so glad I was responsible enough to have one.